Yo, 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 yo. What's good, family? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm be showing you guys how to make a lazy man lasagna. Very easy and very simple. These are all the ingredients right here. We're finna get into it. Okay, now I'm adding my ground turkey. Onion powder. Everglades seasoning. Garlic salt. Saison. Diced onions. Chopped spinach. Now we're finna cook this down. Go add a little bit more season, a little bit more saison to it. I'm dropping my corn here. I got my butter in. I added salt to the water. And let this corn cook while my turkey is cooking. Turkey's starting to look good. It's about done now. Okay, I just strained the turkey, the oil off the turkey. Now I'm gonna drop the sauce in there. Prego. Can't go wrong with it. Now we're gonna let this cook. We'll stir it up, let it simmer for like 30 minutes. Add some more chopped spinach. Can't get enough of greens, you know what I mean? Can't get enough of them greens. Get a good mix. Done. I done let it cook for like 30 minutes. Now I'm gonna add it to my pan. We'll put gotta put a little bit at the bottom, so things don't stick. Put a little sauce at the bottom. Now we finna start adding our raviolis. Now these raviolis already got ricotta cheese in it, so it's a big help. So we ain't gotta add the ricotta cheese. Now we're just gonna layer it just like you're doing lasagna. Just layer the raviolis. And I got me some Colby Jack cheese over there, some Colby cheese. I shredded myself. I got some mozzarella cheese over there. I shredded myself. Then I got a bag of Parmesan cheese. Cheese onto it. This is a lazy man lasagna. You know what I mean? Real quick meal you can make when you don't feel like making, the regular lasagna. It's quick and easy. come back with the meat sauce. Like I said, it's just layers. Yeah, it's the first time I ever made this, you know. My wife, she brought it to my attention, you know, about this here, so it was her idea. Well, she seen somebody else make it, but I'm just remaking it my way. Yeah, more layers of the ravioli. It's 4 cheese ravioli I'm adding to it now. But this is a very simple dish. Your kids will love it. I mean, this is something real quick to make. And it's very delicious. More cheese. More shredded spinach. This is how I sneak, you know, you gotta sneak them greens off in there because, you know, the kids really don't like greens. So you gotta sneak it off in there. Go add the last little bit of meat sauce to the top. Even it out. Now we're gonna add the rest of our cheese to the top. Add a little bit more Parmesan. Get the cheese all even out. Now we're gonna throw it in the oven for 45 minutes. And here we go, here's the results. Got the corn. Got my Lazy Man lasagna here. And then got my garlic bread. This is the finished product. This is it, all plated. Lazy Man lasagna.